everyone, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing a case of KUBO Walks of Life. This is the very first series of figurine that POPMART has released for KUBO, and I managed to get this. It's not really on the market now, and this is a pretty much old kit, but because I really like KUBO, so I would like to share this experience with you guys for opening this kit here. Okay, so let's see. Let's do now. Let's open one box and I'll share with you what is my top 3 favorite figure in this series. Let's do this. Can't wait. Okay, should do this. Ta-da! So all 12 boxes are here, and let's show you. So this is the box. Now my favorite figure in this box, in this series, is the Find Your Way, which is this one. Find Your Way has a very cute bird that he is holding. Cute. And the second one is On a Mission. This one looks cool, so cool. Okay, and then the last one that I like is Muse. Actually, from this picture, Muse looks a bit small. I don't exactly know what he is, but he looks a bit arty from here. So can't wait to start on this. So this is box number 1. Let's see what do I get for it, and let's see if I can get a secret for this set. First one. The back has KUBO's face here. Quite nice. So the first one of this series is, this is Order. Yeah, this is Order. Get the card out. Order. So this one looks like he's a police officer, looking cute. He has a smiley badge on his body, which is here, and this is how the behind looks like. Very cool looking, very suave, very cool looking. So this is the first one I got. First one. Okay, let me open the second one. The second one. I wonder what this could be. One, two, three. Oh, this is the one with the coffee cup. This one is Gentleman. So he's a server, looks like it, in a cafe. There's a very interesting thing about this figure is that it comes with an accessory, a mustache. And if you can stick the mustache onto its face. Okay, let me see if I can get this right. Ta-da! It's so cute. So you can, it's magnetic, so you just need to can either do this or you just stick mustache onto him. Depends on your preference. I think I will display him with the mustache since I think that was intentional. So that is gentleman. Second one. The third box for Walks of Life. What will I get for the third box? I haven't opened the one I want yet. Let me do this one. This one is, let me see. Toughness. So he's looking cool here with this old, what's this? Jumpsuit. Worn halfway. The cute thing about him is that his name is behind. KUBO. And he has this smiley face mark on his cheek. Quite cute actually. And behind him, his initial K is also here on his pants. Looking very tough. Toughness. Box number 4. What are we going to get for box number 4? This one. This is. Okay, this one is the. This is Judgment. Judgment. So for this figure, he is in. I actually don't know what he looks like. He's a repair person. It actually comes with, so behind there's a no here. I don't know why he says no. But it's looking cool as what KUBO looks like. It also comes with an accessory. It comes with a toolkit, a toolbox, and a, I don't know what is this called, spanner, something like that. I'm not going to open this because it's too small. But it comes with a toolkit. So this Judgment, this is kit, this figure number 4. This. Now I have box number 5. Box number 5. What do I have? Oh, this is comes with a plastic. How should I remove this? I just pull it. Okay. So box number 5 is On a Mission. This is one of my top 3 kits, and this On a Mission is also the box art for Walks of Life. This one looks really cool with this goggle on his helmet. He has his name on the helmet, KUBO, and he actually has a bigger goggle that comes as an accessory. Let's see how this looks like when he wears it. Yes, this is how it looks like. This piece is also this eyepiece thing is also magnetic. Like you just wear it. Looks so cool. On a Mission. I got one of my top 3 now. And I still have 2 boxes, 7 to go. This is box 6. What am I getting for box 6? Okay. Box 6 is this is Lifeline. So this KUBO is by the beach saving people, so it's like a lifeguard. He has a boy that he's holding, and then he KUBO on his body and star behind him. Very cute. Lifeline. 6 pieces of figures open. I still have 6 more to go. Halfway there, guys. Box number 7. Box number 7 is ta-da! Oh, this one. It comes, yes, plastic. So let's hit them. Try to move it. It's so cute. This is Vagabond. So he's holding this instrument that I do not know what it's called, and a drum on his back. It's Vagabond. I think it's going to be like probably into my top 3 role. It's so cute. So on the drum behind him, his name is there with the smiley face. I don't know if you guys can see it. And of course the smiley face on his face, on his cheek. Wow, Vagabond is cute. I like it. Box number 8. This is the 8th one. Let's see what do we have here. Box number 8 is ta-da! Oh, I think this is Muse. This is the arts one. Him as a KUBO as an artist. Yes, this Muse. So you have him as an artist wearing glasses. His glasses is fixed, and then he has a apron. There's a pocket here. Very cute. This is how behind looks like. This is Muse. Okay. Oh, it comes with paintbrush too. So maybe I'll do this. Very small. That looks cute with the paintbrush in his pocket. This is Muse. Last 4. Box 9. Box number 9. What will we get from box 9? Box 9 is, oh, this one is the skater boy, right? He is speeding along. and you will see Kubo in a very strange pose here because he actually has a skateboard with him. Ta-da. And this is how the skateboard, if you can see, it has his name with a face, and he's supposed to hold the skateboard this way. See, it makes sense now. Speeding along. This looks cute. It looks like he's in the days. Three box left. Box 10. No secret, I guess. I won't find the secret here, I don't think so. What will we get for box 10? This is oh, this is Kubo holding a camera, and he has a bag with flowers behind him. He's obviously a photographer. And this is called Click Click. Taking photos, so Click Click. Very cute design, very demure. It looks very demure here. So shy. It's cute. Very cute. Last second box. Box number 11. What do we have here? One of my top 3 is still not out yet. It's still not out. Is it this one? Ta-da! It's not this one. Oh, my top 3 is the last one. The last top 3 is the last one. Okay, so this is Cowboy. Cowboy. Very nice cowboy hat with a guitar, looking very cool, very cute. Let's see if I can find his Kubo name is on the guitar. It's really small, somewhere here. This is how behind looks like. Very cool. It's my 11th one. So I only have one box left, and one of my top 3 is Find Your Way, which I haven't opened yet, and that's my favorite one. Favorite as of now. Let's see if it's this one. If it's not this, then it's a secret, which I think it should just be the normal one. Let's see. Ta-da! Yep, this is Find Your Way. Find Your Way. Okay, this one is cute. I like this a lot because it has a... It actually has a... It comes with an accessory. It comes with a birdie. It comes with a birdie, and this birdie will sit onto Kubo like this as a peg that we can put. So it looks like this. Comes with a birdie. Find Your Way. So this is all the 12 pieces for KUBO Walks of Life. KUBO Walks of Life. So we're basically KUBO in various different occupation, might say, and they're all looking very cute. I still like this one. I think this is my favorite one, with Kubo holding a bird. Yeah, let me know which are your favorites. I will rank my top 12 from my most favorite to the least, and then this will be my final after reviewing everything right in front of me. Feel free to let me know which is your favorite KUBO Walks of Life figure in a comment, and if you like this video, and then share it share it with your friends, and I will hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.